Hello bachcho, let's read this question. The question states that the assertion is though the central atom of both NH3 and H2 molecule, they are sp3 hybridized, yet NHH3, that is NH2 bond, angle is greater than that of H2O. Reason is because nitrogen atom has one lone pair and oxygen atom has two lone pair. Both A and R are true, but and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. See, A is true but R is false, and the A is false but R is true. Both A and R are false. Let's understand this question with the basic key concept. So, हमें पता है that what do you understand by bond angle first? Let's talk about bond angle. Bond angle क्या होता है? ये average angle होता है between the orbitals, right? वो bonding electron pairs के बीच में जो carbon atom और you can say central atom को surround कर रहे हैं, right? So it is the average angle between the orbitals which are containing bonding electron pairs around the central atom. So, steric number को calculate करने के लिए we have few formulas. First is steric number equals to number of bond pairs. Number of bond pairs is equals to कितने number of sigma bonds हैं plus number of lone pairs, दोनों को मिला के steric number आता है. And if you have to calculate the steric number of the molecule, then there is a formula to calculate that, जो है half V plus M minus C plus A. इसमें V है the number of valence electrons, M is the monovalent atom. कितने monovalent atom है मतलब जो single bond form कर रहे हैं, that is all halogens are monovalent species, और hydrogen you can say. For example, C is the cationic charge and A is the anionic charge. जितने steric number आएगा उसका मतलब है वो उतने number of hybrid orbitals present है. अगर steric number हमारे पास 2 आता है इसका मतलब दो hybrid orbitals हैं, so एक S होगा दूसरा P, so sp hybridization निकल जाएगी यहां से. So for calculating the bond angle हमारे पास few steps हैं. First is सबसे पहले हम निकालेंगे hybridization of the molecule. And hybridization हम steric number से निकालेंगे कितने number of hybrid orbitals हैं, and then we will classify them in hybridization. Then secondly we'll calculate अगर sp3 hybridized है, then only what will happen, then we will check the lone pair on the central atom. And we have to know the relationship कि जो bond angle होता है वो inversely proportional होता है to the lone pair on the central atom. मतलब जितना ज्यादा lone pair, so lone pair अगर ज्यादा होगा, we know that it will lead to more repulsions. And अगर ज्यादा repulsion होगा, so bond angle decrease कर जाएगा. So sp3 अगर hybridized होगा तभी lone pair हम check करेंगे, and the lone pair is inversely proportional to bond angle. But what if the lone pairs are same? If lone pairs are same, then we have to check the electronegativity, that is the tendency to attract the shared pair of electrons. हम वो check करेंगे, but side atom की. So bond angle, it is inversely proportional to electronegativity of side atom. Now let's find out for the two that are we given. So assertion is that though the central atom of both NH3 and H2 they are sp3 hybridized, yet you have to go for the bond angle of the two. So let's find out for the NH3 first and H2 simultaneously. अगर hybridization देखी जाए, first we know that the step is to calculate the hybridization. So उसके लिए we need to calculate the steric number, right? तो सबसे पहले हम NH3 का calculate कर लेते हैं. Steric number कैसे आएगा? half V plus M minus C plus A. Valence electrons है 5 and the monovalent species are hydrogen, तो 3 है यहाँ पे, plus 0 cationic charge and 0 anionic charge, तो 8 by 2 it is equals to 4. इसका मतलब 4 hybrid orbitals present है, इसका मतलब sp3 hybridized है. Now अगर steric number हमारे पास 4 है और number of bond pairs we know that 3 H के साथ एक N लिंक है, So 3 है number of bond pairs, right? Number of sigma bonds are 3. Hence हम यहाँ से number of lone pairs निकाल सकते हैं. We know that steric number equals to number of bond pairs plus number of lone pairs. So number of lone pair will be equal to steric number minus number of bond pairs. So यहाँ से हमारे पास आए lone pair 1. Now as we know, for H2O let's calculate it, right? So H2O का steric number if we need to calculate, तो steric number आएगा half. Valence electrons are oxygen के 6 and 2 monovalent, that is 2 hydrogen are present. So 8 by 2 that is 4 and that is sp3 hybridized. So steric number यहाँ पे भी 4 आ गया. But number of bond pairs यहाँ पे क्या है? 2, 2 हाइड्रोजन से लिंक है. So if you have to calculate the number of lone pairs, so number of lone pairs कितने आएंगे? 4 minus 2 that is 2, so 2 lone pairs आ गए. Now we know जब sp3 hybridized है, so bond angle it is inversely proportional to the lone pair on the central atom. And किसके ज्यादा lone pairs है? अगर lone pair की बात करी जाए तो H2O के पास ज्यादा lone pair है than NH3. So bond angle की बात करी जाए तो NH3 का ज्यादा होगा than H2O, right? So assertion is right that yet NH2 bond its angle is greater than that of H2O. So an assertion is true. Let's talk about the reason. Reason states that this is because nitrogen atom has 1 lone pair and oxygen atom has 2 lone pairs. So it is correct as the lone pair is the basis for the difference. और अभी हमने निकाले कि कितने lone pairs आ रहे हैं. If you have to calculate the number of lone pairs, हमने steric number calculate किया था. So number of lone pairs अगर H2O की बात करी जाए तो 2 आए थे and NH3 क्या 1 आया था. So reason is also correct and the reason is the correct explanation of A. तभी तो bond angle में difference आया repulsions की वजह से. So the correct answer to this question is option number A. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck.